Hai Ning Unitarp Coated Fabric and Products Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of PVC tarpaulin fabrics, PVC tarpaulin finished products, and PVC strip fence, for example, membrane structure, truck and trailer cover, truck side curtain and inflatables, and above final ones can be offered by us. We are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced salespeople are always available to discuss your requirements and promise customer satisfaction. We have obtained ISO 9001 certificates and adhere to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices, which is the key reason that we are selling very well in regions like America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and Africa, etc. OEM orders are very welcome. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and bring you the satisfied products. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. Establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.